When you create an Excel table in a workbook, Excel names the table 1 as a first table. When you create other Excel tables in a same workbook, Excel names the table 2, table 3 and so on. You can assign a different name to each table. This makes you easier to identify a specific table. When you create Excel table, you can use letters, numbers and use underscore instead of space to separate two words. Click at any cell of table. Design tab is automatically activated. Click Design tab. Click Table Name box. Type sales underscore data underscore type 2018. Press Enter key. The table is renamed as Sales Data 2018. Although you can find records in an Excel table by scrolling down to the table by using left, right and tab keys. But if you have large data in an Excel table, you have quicker way to find data. Use Find command. In Home tab, Editing group, click Find and select arrow button. Click Find command. Type call in Find Word box. Click Find Next button. The cell contains that text is selected. If this text is repeated within the worksheet, again click Find Next button. Worksheet move down and cell reference A30 is activated with that text. So if your worksheet has large data, use Find command. Click Find Next button more than one time. If that text contains any cell more than one time, it is selected.